Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Hey guys, welcome into my office today. I want to give you a few tips on ways to fully use our website. So as you can see here on my big screen, I've got it set up on our homepage. Number one, obviously you've got the floor plans tab. That's going to just be an ongoing list of every plan that we offer. Keep in mind that a lot of these, like the Grandview 2, are showing a optional site-built porch, so don't put a ton of stock into these elevations. But you got the floor plans tab, that's just the floor plans, and then you hear me refer to the series a lot. Here are all your different series. I'll get more into that as we go. You've got a bedroom filter, square footage filter, so if you just want to look at certain square footages, you can specify there. And anytime you do click, say, the Heartland series, make sure you press search. Don't just click Heartland series, click search, and then now I'm looking at only the Heartland series plans. Okay, so let's use the Heartland 2 Cape for example. Number one, you've got your elevation here, but if you scroll down, you're going to see standard features. That is just a short little glimpse into some of the included features of all of the Heartland series plans. To the right, you're going to see download Heartland 2 Cape standards. Okay, when I click on that, that's going to be a download. I'm going to open that up. That is going to be the included, what I would call the spec sheet of the Heartland series. The other series plans, say the novel series, have this exact same thing, but obviously it's different to apply to the novel series. But so you've got those two things there. I want to show you one more thing with that, with the novel series. So click floor plans, series, novel series, search. Let's use the Anson. So when I go to the Anson, on any of the novel series, you've got download novel series options. When I click that, that is also going to be a downloadable PDF. This is going to be the selector guide, the core guide for the novel series. Most of this applies to the Heartland series, but there are a few small differences. And what this is just a breakdown of, let's use siding here, standard siding. That's going to be your included colors, that's your included 5-inch straight lap. Anytime you see optional, that that means extra. So for example, these are going to be what I call premium colors in some of the other videos. These colors or these laps, as in your vertical cedar stakes and stuff like that. Anything under optional is extra money, more money. It takes you through shingles, doors. That's probably one of the big differences there. It says choice of 3 standard front doors. That would only apply to the novel series. And the Heartland series, you are going to start with more something like that, the solid panel door on the front and the back. We can get into that stuff as we go. So yeah, this is 30-some pages. I won't go through all that, but keep that in mind. And then I want to talk to you about the virtual tour tab up there. So when you go to the virtual tour tab, the true virtual tour is something like I'm pulling up here. I only have these accessible or for the lot models themselves. No other houses beside the lot models have the virtual tour, what you're seeing here. You can look up, down, zoom in, zoom out. You can go through the entire house. And again, these are only on the lot models. Anytime you see the word walkthrough, that is nothing more than a direct link to a YouTube video that I did of a similar house to that model. So this walkthrough is basically a shortcut to my YouTube to see a similar house as the one listed. Obviously, if you go to my YouTube channel, you're going to have a lot more options, more examples of that. So remember that virtual tours, anytime you see that tab, the virtual tour tab, I actually have the click through. Again, it's just the models, the Logan, the Stanley, the Sparta, the Salem, but these other ones are listed because of that walkthrough feature that I showed you. You have some other informational stuff across the top, buying guides, contact information, some reviews, look at some of the reviews, just a lot of kind of PDF downloadable informational stuff there. You got the service area up here showing you where we build, okay? And then you've also got, again, that virtual tour tab and the walkthroughs, and then your schedule the tour tab. And then I also wanted to show you if you scroll to the bottom of any page, you're going to have our social media icons down here. So you'll see the YouTube icon there. When you click that YouTube icon, that is going to take you directly to my YouTube channel. These other icons here are for Carolina Custom Homes social medias. And then on my YouTube channel, I have links. On my link tree, I also have links to all of my personal TikToks, Instagrams, accounts for this stuff here. So those are the main points. You've got your chats down here. You can chat with one of us at any time there. And then the YouTube channel, I wanted to show you one thing. The playlist is something I've done recently. You can go to really any plan. Let's use the Heartland 1, for example. If you click Heartland 1 under playlist, I've got all the Heartland 1s specifically in a playlist ready for you to watch. So you don't have to go searching for anything. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. All the information is in the bottom. Thank you, guys. See you on the next one.